Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to do Runaway Aurora Filter effect on Instagram and how to do this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is, in order to get this filter on your Instagram account, you just have to follow the instruction. First you just go to the home by tapping over there. Then from here you just have to swipe to the left. This is just like the normal story mode. As you can see at the bottom there is a story written, right? Now what you have to do is, you just have to swipe to the right. You just have to keep on swiping to the right, and unless and until you will be seeing browse effect or the search icon over there. So you just have to select this, and now from here what you have to do is, you just have to search for the effects, and you have a search icon over there, and you have to search for the following, which is, you just have to search for Runaway Aurora. Let me search Runaway Aurora, and once you search for it you will be getting this, and from here you just have to select for Runaway Aurora by Ronald Fadley. You just have to search for this. As you can, this one is the one, so you just have to select this, and from here what you have to do is, this is the run arrow effect. Now we have to save this up. In order to save this up, you just have to tap over here, and you just have to click on the save icon there, so it will be getting saved. And once after it's been successfully done, you just have to click on try it options from here. Now what you have to do is, for the convenience of the video, I'm gonna show this up. So in order to do this up, I have to select this, the respective filter I have to select first. Now I have to click on this. Now what I have to do is, I just have to do something in between, like with my fingers over there. I'm just going to do something in between, so I have to keep on doing in between, and this is what I have to do. And now as you can see that I have to show the steps in each one, like, you know, the fingers has to be done in this way, and I have to do this up, and this is what I have to do. And once it is done guys, I'm gonna show you up and how it's going to work like. And as you can see that I'm not playing the song in the background due to the copyright issues. As you can see that it is getting the filters like what it's been in the what's running right now, I mean in the mean between the time it is getting straight in between. How this is, you can do this up, and this is what it's all about it. And also I'm gonna show this is what it's all when it comes to how to do this up. And this is as you can see, there is an option called run away. Right, this is what you have to select and press and hold, and you have to show the fingers, or you have to do the act in front of the camera so that it will be recorded in between, and it's going to show you up. And this is how you can do this up. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. And this is all about when it comes to how to do Runaway Aurora filter effects on your Android devices as well as on iOS. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.